Some viewers sitting here waiting already. Good to see. Good to see. Good morning, CJ. How you doing? You're the first one here. Okay, we got a bit of a pullback here on AMC this morning. I see. Crypto. Good morning. Good morning, guys. You're up early. You're up early. Hopefully this will do something today when this opens. I know we all just sit here. Oh man, I hope it'll do something. I know it's the same thing. The same thing over and over. Good morning, Andy. Good morning, brother. So yeah, one morning we're gonna wake up, guys, and we're gonna look at this thing, and it's gonna be like, holy crap, it's actually happening. I'm just looking at the numbers of pre-market there. What did we get? Overturn only 1.5%. That's not that much. But this is this is just institutions and big whales and stuff. I think you have to have over buy lots of 100 or 1,000, I think, to get on here, and you have to have a certain access to it, and you have to pay. Obviously, you have to pay to do it. It's first come, first serve. Big Sal, what's up, brother? Wow, we got a whack of regulars here this morning. Just ripping it up. Everybody's just anxious, eh, this morning? Good to see you. Thanks, guys. Okay, so let's have a look here. Anything else? Holy crow. Okay, we got only thing we got in pre-market that's green. Crypto's going back down again. We got Sundial at Sundial and the Canvas stocks are in pre-market are probably doing the best. Oh, GameStop's up. GameStop's at 0.83 right now. Yeah, they're definitely hammering away on AMC. Like I said, they want to get this down before Friday, guys. They want to get it down in the 30s. So we got to keep this. We got to hold this shit today, man. Just give me a second, guys. I just want to set up our stream keys as we always do every morning. The same thing. Same thing. Almost forgot about this. Internet's slow today. Internet's slow today. Okay, we got that done. Just give me a minute here. Wait, what time is it? We got 2 minutes. Okay, let's I'm just gonna go over to Twitter here and post us that we are activated and ready to go. And we're ready to go. Tweet ski. Oh no, I'm not messaging her. What the fuck? I don't know what that was all about. Oh, I know what it was about. I know what it was about. I know what I was doing on Twitter. I was just on Twitter, guys. I was just on Twitter a couple minutes ago because I was messaging somebody for us. I was messaging because you guys wanted me to do a collaboration, so I was messaging Jackson Hunter this morning. I know. I already see it. It's down 2%. I know 2.06. I know. I didn't want to say anything, guys, but hey, we'll see what happens in 45 seconds. You have to remember all these platforms are going to dump. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, brother. Yeah, they're just fucking bullshit, man. Okay, it's open now. We just opened up. We'll see what happens. Why is it? There we go. I blew it up for you guys a bit there. Sorry about that. There we go. We just smashed through that line of resistance. It's going to be a little bit hard to get through that line, though, on the first go. Look at that, eh? That's a very good sign, guys. I know we could have a pullback, but that shows that a lot of people are buying after hours on AMC. That's what that shows me. I know we'll probably have a pullback on it, but JP, what's up, brother? I was watching some more of your videos. Ken, good morning. Sorry, Ken, I skipped you there, bro. I didn't see ya. Yeah, I knew we were going to have a bit of a pullback here, but it's okay. Let's bounce over a couple candlesticks. Guys, we're probably going to see a little bit of downward movement. I'm hoping that we could just hold in the green even like 1 or 2% through the couple days here. We need to wait for those new laws to come in, and they got those failure to delivers coming up too. Good, we're getting there. We're banging up above a bit. And it would take a couple tries to get through that line. It probably will. What's the volume coming in here? Okay, we got volume. What the hell's going on here? I'm gonna hit reset on here. Just hang on a second. There we go. Got not the volume's okay actually. It's a little slow, but it's not that bad for this time of morning. We've already got 1.88 million people who have bought after hours. Okay, so that's actually not a bad sign. People are still buying these synthetics up. They're still selling like hotcakes, right? It's just you have to think everybody else is in the same category as us. They've spent pretty much all their money that they have on AMC, which is you can see that. Look how much money is involved in this, man. It's huge. It's huge. It's probably one of the most bought up stocks. But a lot of people are jumping on other plays though too, right? Like the crypto is a distraction for sure. I was looking at some articles here. But if you can make money on it and all that stuff, that power to you, man. It's just that for myself, I'm just speaking for myself. I'm holding on to AMC, and I'm very bullish on this because this might be able to make you some money over here. Yeah, the crypto, a little bit of money, right? But this is going to turn you into a millionaire. Okay, so that's the difference, right? I know it's kind of hard to see through the smoke that they've got up, especially since they're getting us whacked down a bit. But we're strong. That's the thing, man. You caught 350 more shares last night, my friend. Good. Andy, you should have waited. I can't tell you what to do, but if it was me, I would have waited till the morning, my friend. Don't you watch my videos? I'm just bugging you, my friend. I'm just bugging you. Wow. 840, buddy. You almost got as many as me. Bro. Wow, man. Good for you guys. That's awesome. And the guys on here that only have a couple hundred, that's awesome too, man. Like it's all about the movement. Okay? I'm just watching this. Yeah. It's going to take a little bit to get through that line there, guys. We're definitely going to get attacked any minute now because those platforms should almost be all dumped right now. Yeah, see. It usually takes about a couple 5 minutes for all those platforms to unload because there's more and more all the time, right? Yeah, JP has a good $5 increments. Okay. It's sold in seconds. Yeah, because they're synthetics, my friend. But it doesn't matter. Those are they're the same thing as the real shares. You'll still get the same money. It's just that what happened is it didn't have the loot till 2 p.m. Oh, okay. Yeah. So the thing is Cash App, really? Cash App lets you buy dollar amounts on shares. Really? You can buy fractional shares? Is that what you mean? You can buy fractional shares? Here we go. Okay, we've done it now. We've actually got past the line. Now we're on the second candle. So that's good, guys. That's very good for us. Look at the fight on that. Come on, hold it, baby. Hold it. Hold it. Bounce over the candle. Lock in. Lock and load. Lock and load. Oh, fuck. Come on, lock and load. Once we can load over to that next candlestick here, we got her, guys. We got above that 31.17. Yep. Cash App. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into that. Cash App's pretty big too. I've been seeing them all over the place. Who the Allison, how's it going, girl? Come on, lock in, you bastard. What happened here? Did the fucking screen freeze again here? What the fuck is going on? I just reloaded again. Something happened. We're at a stall. That's not my internet, man. We're running here, strong. I got a full signal. Something just happened on this floor. All the other stocks are moving. Something just happened with AMC, guys. It's not a halt. Something just happened, though. They've stopped it. Fuck, that's not really the best thing going on. Not in the middle of a go. Yours froze too? Okay, here we go. We're back open. What? I have a question for you. What platform were you on? The one that the person that said, oh, you can, yeah, because you can buy in fractional shares. That's pretty neat. That's pretty fucking neat, man. I like that. Okay, we locked in and we're loaded, guys. We did it. We did it. We just did it. Yes, we just did it. That's a good sign, guys. We just did it. We just locked and loaded. Yes, we're over 3 candle bars. We just did it. We got through that line. Okay, it's free. It's free sailing now, guys. Free sailing now. I'm not just saying. I'm just saying that they can obviously a ladder attack us, but it's gonna take a little bit of line. We got enough volume. We got enough push. We got through that line. That resistance line is now a support line. It usually takes 2 or 3 candles sticks to get over, right? Out of theory, that's what I like to say anyways. I'm making this shit up as I go, you know that. I'm just bugging you guys. Okay, you are using Webull, so it was a nationwide freeze. A worldwide freeze, obviously. Good morning, Felix. Good morning, brother. JP, I'm really intrigued by that. I really like that fractional share buying, man. That is awesome. That is really, really cool, man. Did not know that. And so Andy, did you get a chat? Did you get chats to go over to Jenny's channel to check out her channel? Peach, Daisy, and Rose. Welcome to the channel. I've never seen you here. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4. I like that. That's freaking awesome. Will the stock market crash? Also AMC. No, AMC won't crash. I don't think AMC will. Oh, you can only buy certain assets. Oh, okay. The stock market could crash. Yes, it could. That's why they're worried about it. It's called a fire sale, guys. Is what it just froze again. Shit. That literally just froze over and then jumped the candlestick and it's still frozen. There's something going on here, but guys, this could be good for us because we're climbing really good here. It's frozen again. But yet it's not the platform. There we go. Hey, this could be good, man. It froze and then jumped up 0.60 just in one. Then it's frozen again. There's something happening with this stock. They're having a lot of volume, probably dumping too much volume. It's screwing it up here a bit. There's something happening, guys. Maybe they're getting monitored by now. Maybe something's happening. Trio and Roller County are the only marijuana stocks on Cash App. Okay, no Sundial? Yeah, well, Sundial's from out of Alberta, Canada. A lot of yours is moving, Big Sal. Yours is moving. What platform are you using? What platform are you using? So it is just Webull then. There we go, and it jumped over again, and in a green. Okay, I'm all cool with this. I'm liking this, man. But what was I gonna talk about? No, I didn't see it, Cam. I have seen. I had a pretty nice one in my day. Oh, yeah, they're just babies. But they're just babies. I was just showing for support, right? She's an all right little bit of subs there, but I went over and subbed to her channel. Same with JP's Lawns and More. He has a dope channel, man. I subbed to it, and I think a couple people subbed to it last night. I think you did, didn't you, Andy? But I just like to support the people that come support me, right? I went through all the people because I can tell who has actual channels, not just 1 or 2 subs, but are actually that are creators, and I support creators, man. I whoever has a channel, that guy, the one guy that had that cooking thing on here, there was one big rose pig roast or whatever. I support him. There's another guy on here, and he sent me his email and all that stuff, and then he bounced off the channel. So whatever. I was gonna actually support him, but I won't support somebody if they leave our channel, obviously. But he disappeared, so that's up to him, though, right? I don't. It is what it is. Maybe we were too hardcore because this channel is a little bit different. You know what I mean? It's not just your regular beating around the bush channel, right? We do. We don't put up with no bullshit on this channel. At least I don't. I just say how it is, and that sometimes shoots me in the foot. But I'd rather be told the truth than being lied to, and I think a lot of people would too, right? We have a good stepping stone here, guys. See, like if we could just hold this for the day, it'd be nice around 2 or 3%. But if we could just hold this for the day, it would be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You have TD open too? I have TD too. Obviously, you have the TD. What do you think of the TD stock screener, Big Sal? What do you think? I have 2 in my backyard. One is about 14 feet high. Oh, wow. Buddy, man. Damn. That's so cool, man. That's so cool. Think or swim? No kidding, eh? Okay. Look at that. We're getting attacked right now, guys. Look at the screen up there. Look what's happening. Look how fast that's levitating. They're attacking us right now. We're getting a ladder attack. We're under a ladder attack, guys. Quick. I've only used the stock screener a couple times. Oh, okay. I'm just wondering because it's nice to have a couple different stock screeners up, right? I was using Yahoo Finance. It's just that, I don't know, man. It's not. It's all right. Webull is the most easiest one that I've found to use, even though, because I'm not, by using it, I used to broadcast, hey, I'm using this Webull, but I don't do it anymore because I really don't support them at all, right? I just don't. I just like their layout of the stock screener. That's the only reason what I do, right? And by using their stock screener, it does not support them at all, right? It doesn't even have their name. Oh, it does up on the right-hand corner. But yeah, so and I can't buy shares through them anyways, and I probably would have, but they're forbidden in Canada. You can't use it in Canada. They're not what would it say? They're not authorized to sell in Canada for some reason. Our government does not want them here. So it's too smooth for Michael. Yeah, no kidding, man. Is that a line? Oh no, I thought that was a line. I thought I had a line there. What is? Give me a second, guys. I'm just gonna check what our next trend line is here. Okay, we're gonna have to go back into the days on this one. Okay, what I have set before is 38.63 is our line, guys. That's what the next line we gotta get to. It's a pretty big go. It's a pretty big jump. So that's our next line there. That's on the day chart. If you guys want to mark that down on your own charts, these are just my lines, okay? These aren't like I'll show you pivot point lines. They're not. See, that's their lines. their resistance and all that, and then their par lines and all that stuff. I don't go by that stuff, right? I do my own because I've been on this stock long enough. I know where stuff levitates and bounces off of, right? And anybody can do it. You know that. It's not rocket science, but you just got to know and watch the stock. That was back when I was line watching all the time, right? Or when I'm broadcasting, I'll throw one up there. But I don't line watch anymore because I noticed it was starting to make me... whoops, I'll put this back on the 1 minute chart for you guys. Yeah, they're trying to attack us. That's what's happening there. When it does that levitating thing, that's not normal, guys. I know that for a fact. This is the only stock that does that. No, I shouldn't. No. I shouldn't say that. Microvision was doing it too. Oh, we wanted to check something else here. Okay, I'm going to go through all the stocks here, guys, just for the people on the way to work so they can... and we got some new stocks added. The group here wanted me to add some more American stuff on here, so we did it. We're going to start it with the cruise lines. We got cruise lines on, American cruise lines on here now. So we got ticker symbol CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Line, is at $23.50. It's down negative 2.17. Okay, we got American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL. It is down 2.26 in the red. It's at $20.74. Sorry, it's switching around on me here. We got good old COS, ticker symbol KOSS, and it is $18.30. We're at negative 1.2 or 82. My eyes are all messed up from last night, guys. Coffee break. Just hang on. Okay, back. Okay, GME, ticker symbol, which is GameStop. It is at 160.18. So $160.18. It is at 0.88 in the green right now. We got good old AMC, the mother of all squeezes, is sitting here at $31.58. It is bouncing around on the on our par line. It is now in the green at 0.22, 0.8. It's bouncing around. We are in a ladder attack right now. They're trying to attack us, so that's going to be very, very... we're going to have to watch that one today. So anyways, Suncor out of Canada is the energy sector for the oil patch. Is at $24.65. This is a dividend stock, guys, just so you're aware. I just want to get that in your guys' heads, so after this you'll know the ones that are. And we'll be doing a broadcast on that. I'm going to be doing a lot of buying. I'll be buying probably about 800,000 plus on stocks, on dividend stocks. So we'll be doing live buying on that. Okay, it'll be all broadcasted live. I'm going to show you guys how I make my money and how I make a substantial amount of money. Okay, we're talking probably about $500,000 a year. Okay, on stocks. I'll show you guys how to flip some shit. Not flipping stock, flipping money. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna skip that one stock there. We're gonna skip two stocks because they mean nothing. I just keep an eye on them because I have money invested in them and I've lost money on them. So I just don't want to broadcast stuff I'm not doing good on. I'm down on 3 stocks, about 20 grand. So we're not going to broadcast it because those were just pump and dumps, and I got caught up in a pump and dump 3 times when I was uneducated in the stocks. And I bought after hours. That's what happened to me. I bought after hours and got stung, right? That's why, and I've learned off of it, and those were good learning. A $20,000 learning curve has made me probably close to $750,000. So I've done pretty good after that. So anyways, AMC is $25.06. Sorry guys, correction. AC Air Canada is at $25.06. It is negative 0.40 in the red today. Okay, we got some marijuana stocks. CGC Canopy Growth is $18.68. We're at 1.08 in the red right now. We got Sundial Growers out of Alberta, Canada. Ticker symbol SNDL. Their earnings is coming up here. Or no, they just had their earnings. It's in blue. So obviously it didn't affect the stock that much. It is $80, 80 cents here, and it is at 0.22 in the red. Okay, Microvision, $14.64. We're at negative 0.45. BlackBerry is up today a little bit. We're at BlackBerry is out of Quebec, Canada, $12.94. It is at 0.47 in the green. We're gonna jump into some crypto. We got Dogecoin at 0.26, and it is doing a slump right now. It is down 6.73 in the red. Okay, we got actually all cryptos going down now, just a little bit. We got Bitcoin at 44,534. It is at 3.09, and it's in the negative. It's in the red. Ethereum coin is at $3,102.60. We're down 3.47 in the red. Okay, guys, we'll jump into some questions here, and I'll fire some answers at you guys. Okay, I have already used this doc. Okay, old stuff. Do I trade options? Big Sal, no, I don't trade options. I have once before, and I lost some money, and it wasn't that much money, and I know when I'm not educated enough, and I just know when to stay away. Okay, I don't. I've heard stories about it. A lot of people have lost money, but a lot of people have made money. So I like to just. I got my own system, and I've done really good in my life with it. So I stick to it, and that's what I share with you guys, right? And if I don't know something, I'm not going to broadcast and share something that I'm not 100% accurate on, and that I'm 100% truthful with myself, that I know what I'm doing, right? So hopefully that answers your question. But if you guys are good at it, stick at what you're good at, okay? I'm just really good at making money on dividend stocks and flipping stocks. Like I did good on the virus pills. I flipped and made probably about $200,000 or $300,000 on those in about 2 months. Okay, so they're not around anymore. They're pretty. Some of them are in court getting sued right now for I don't know, some crap happened. So anyways, I'll answer Allison's question here. I have Carbo and have done very well. Okay, let's jump on and check that symbol out here. XRP. Let's see. XRP. Let's have a look here. Oh, it was up pretty good. You made some. Oh, it's down a little bit right now. Did you buy? When'd you buy? Oh, you would have made a little bit of money, yeah. Depends on it all. Even if its stock goes up like 20 cents, if you have a lot of shares in it, man, you can make some good money. Like I bought in stocks that like I buy like 5 to 10,000 shares, right? And if it's in this, is this the right one, Allison? Ken, will 600 shares make you $1 million? Let's do the math. Because I can talk about that kind of stuff. I just can't tell you the other version. Like, okay, so if you have 600 shares, okay, let's go back onto. I'm just gonna jump back onto. Clove is going up today. We had somebody on Clove last night live that was. They got their. Oh, it was up really high last night. Yeah, Clove's up 10%. Yeah, I wonder if he jumped out or not. If it was me, I would be thinking about an exit strategy on this one. So I don't know what's going on with it though. Maybe some good news came out or something. Oh, they had the earnings call. That's why it went up. I was thinking, wasn't this a pump and dump? So yeah, it was. It was the pump and dump. It was at $28 within 2 days. It was down to like nothing. 35 cents. Oh, you did good then. Oh, over the year. Okay, sorry, I misread you. I'm sorry, Allison. Then you did good, girl. Good for you. Carbano. I had Carbano. What is that, Ellison? What is that? Like, is it a health thing, or I don't know anything about it. You're teaching me now some stuff. I love learning. That's why I ask you guys. You're like, I thought he knows everything. No, I don't. And I don't. I want to learn more about different country stocks and stuff. I know lots about our stocks, but it's just that for us to buy stocks down in the States cost a fortune, right? But it is what it is. We're looking at us. Look at AMC go, guys. Oh, it's crypto. No way. Is that Moon Unit? Moon Unit, what's up, brother? How you doing? It's crypto. Okay. I never heard about that crypto because I'm going to buy some crypto after this squeeze. Oh. ADA. I'm going to check it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, I never even knew about this one. Oh, it's new. It's brand new. It's only been out since June of last year. AMC, let's go. Yes. Okay, I'm putting it back on AMC. Sorry, guys. I just wanted to look at that. Yes. Go. What the? Come on, messing with me. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Yes, let's go. Good, we're smacking at 3% right now. Doot. What's the volume? And we don't have hardly any volume coming in. See, this is normal, guys. This is normal stock trading. They backed off for a bit. They've shut something down or something, because look, we got hardly little bit of volume. It's trickling in. But we've only got over 2% overturn right now. And look what we did. We went from like -2 all the way up. We've gained 4%. Oh, you're checking in from work? Cool, Moon Unit. Okay, hi, brother. You have a good day too, man. Thanks for checking in. Really good guy. So, I just wanted to make sure I answer all your questions here. I'll go back up the chart. This is a really good coin. Okay, yeah, I'm going to look into that. Okay, I know what I was talking about. Refresher. Rewind. So, that's what I do have some plays that I'm mapping out in my head. And I will share them with you guys, right? I'm going to buy some crypto, but I'm going to wait until after this. I'm probably going to spend about 20 to 50 grand on crypto. Wayne, you have a great day. Thanks for dropping in today, man. Don't work too hard and work safe. What platform do I use to trade on? Oh, somebody's asking you a question, Allison. Whoa, yeah, come on, baby. 32.36. AMC 32.36. Okay, so if this is a red candle and we get one green afterwards, that's a good sign. We could get a tailwind happening. Okay, it's called Uphold. Oh, okay. So you guys have, yeah. Okay, good. See, I need to load this stuff. Oh, we got into some new software, StreamYard. So guys, we're gonna be able to do some collabing with whoever wants to do it. I'm working on the software on the side. I'm trying to get ready for this squeeze so we can go on live, and you guys can broadcast around the world. If you guys want to be known around the world, that's up to you. But yeah, I'll be having You're in for that? Okay. So yeah, that's what I was wanting to do, is do that, right? So whoever's interested in it, I'll just get a list of people, and then we can do some collabing together, some collaboration. And I did, for the people that just got on here, I did contact Jackson Hunter this morning, and I'm gonna see if I can do his live stream with him and see if he wants to. Because we're crazy, like, we're both crazy, us two. So, yeah, we'll see what he says. He's a really hard guy to get a hold of. So, I'll see. I've tried one way to get a hold of him. We'll see if that works. If not, I'll have to pull some contacts to get a hold of him. Yeah, he is awesome. He is. I definitely, and I'm very picky on who I'd get onto a live stream with, for sure. There's a lot of people that I wouldn't, especially with some of these younger fellas. No, I'm older, right? I don't know if it would be a good feed, right? I don't know. What do you talk about, right? But like somebody, like he's decent. He's into music. He's a good guy, man. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if there's a way of contacting him. I don't know if it's going to get rerouted towards him or not. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, anyways, look at us. Okay, we're going to do a broadcast here for the guys on the way to work that are listening to on audio. AMC's at $32.27. We're 2.22 in the green. We are under a bit of a attack right now, guys, just so you guys know. We already knew this was going to happen. So they're doing it in segments now instead of constant. See, our not that we have a downfall. I shouldn't say that, but what's going against us a little bit is our volume. It is Thursday. Paydays are on Fridays. There's a lot of contributing factors. Around the end of the month, more people have money. And we have the news that is against us, right, guys? The news is just like totally hating on us for some reason. Well, we already went over that last night. The statistics show that 50% of all the news outlets across North America are bought and paid for or owned by some type of a hedge fund. 50%, guys. Like, that's why you'll see one. And the thing is if 50% are saying that it's bad or it's not good to get into or just lying about the whole situation, what they do, because we know the truth. We're investors. We know we're like, especially the people that have been in for like since the beginning of this time. We know what's going on, right? Like, it's just weird. So thanks for the likes, guys. That's awesome. I really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. Really good subs, man. So, just because I'm very transparent, my whole portfolio is red. The whole thing, except AMC. But usually Thursdays are usually what could I say? They're usually down days on the market. But so that's good that we're getting that's good that we're one of the ones that are green today. Oh, and I should say, sorry, BlackBerry's at $13 across the board right now. So I know a couple of us are invested in BlackBerry here. So, but after BlackBerry's gonna go crazy. The news is controlled by the CIA. Big Sal says. I didn't know that, my friend. I didn't know that. So let's what is it? Yeah, it's Thursday today. I was just thinking here. I got to check some messages here, guys. Let's see if we got some good news to talk about. So what I'm gonna do is the background for that StreamYard there, guys. I just want to get this because I got to ask you guys. I don't like doing things without asking you guys first. Oh, and the shirts we got. Somebody's from the channel, Andrew is working on, I think it's Andrew, yeah, it is Andrew, was working on our shirts for the channel. Sent him over the artwork last night with our live stream. We got some cool shirts coming out, guys. For guys that were, I think there's a handful of guys that were on here last night, or ladies and gentlemen who were on here last night, but I'll explain what the shirts are going to look like, okay? They're going to have, over on the right-hand side of the page, we're going to have the wolf, our wolf emblem, right in the center, and then it's going to say the wolf pack, and then it's going to say along the bottom, it's going to say CS Trades 101, and then up the arms, it's going to have tear marks where the claws are coming up on both sides, like wolf claws coming up. And then it's going to say on the back, support your local CS traders. So those are our shirts, okay? I think they're going to look pretty friggin' cool. Aaron, how you doing? Good morning. Tinfoil hat. One day I'm going to wear a tinfoil hat in for you guys. But yeah, what do you guys think about those shirts? I think they're gonna look pretty cool. We're gonna he's working on the software right now. Actually, I guess he's a designer engineer. So they're gonna be top notch. Then they're just not gonna be like just some thrown together stuff. So what will probably in the way things are going right now, probably within a month we're gonna have them. What I'll do is I'll wear some. I'll bring the stuff out. I'll have it on, and then you guys can judge from there. Because I don't want you to buy something that you won't want, right? And that's up to you. Whatever you guys do, it's just supporting the group, right? And there'll be coffee mugs and all that kind of stuff too, right? All the same old kind of stuff. But yeah. Good morning, Kat. How you doing? Sorry for sending that text message late last night. I didn't get your message till late, and then I sent it, and I'm like, oh man, there's like 3 hours difference in Canada here. I think it's 3 hours. Is it 3 hours? Or is it 4 hours? 3 hours difference. 3 hours difference. But good morning, Kat. So, let's see what's going on here. We're at $31.92. We're at 1% right now. And I'm not even going to go through, guys. I'm not even going to go through the portfolio here. It's, actually, GameStop is, we're usually, GameStop's doing not bad too. When I say not bad, it's in the green because you know how it is, right? It's it's actually at par right now at $162 straight across the board right now. It's at 2.03%. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, we'll got this down. I'm just going to do a pullback here on this, guys. So we're going to find our sweet spot, and then we're just going to ride that for the day. So yeah, they're taking us down in levels. Have you guys heard of any interesting news today or anything yet? Any of you guys get up, you're on a different time shift than me. A lot of you. Did you guys hear anything new on the news? Because I don't get you guys sometimes get the news, or most of you get the news before I do on the Pacific side. Did you hear anything on the eastern side there, the Atlantic side? Any interesting news or anything? Because you guys get the broadcast way before I do. So that's a good thing about living on the East Coast. I'm just going to check some stuff here, guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Check my messages. Check my messages. We're getting a little bit of a fight, eh? Look at that. Just bouncing. Oh, I'll blow the screen up for you guys. Is that a little bit better? I keep on forgetting about that. What? That's weird. Weird stuff. Weird stuff, guys. Okay. On the news about online sports. Sports betting for Canada, which is funny because I have a stock related to that. Right on, Kat. Right on. Cool. Yeah, I don't got anything. I was just checking the news here. I don't see anything worth even talking about. It's just one of those days, guys. It's just one of the days where you just kick back and relax and chill out and think about all the stuff you're going to get and what you're going to do. And like I said, it's good to sit down and plan stuff out on what you're going to do with this money when you get it. Okay? Because the worst is to get it. Because when I've come into some money when I was younger, when I was a young kid, I came into some money, right? An inheritance a little bit, and I spent it unfoolishly, right? I should have, I was young though. You always, when you get your first chunk of money, you always get stupid stuff with it, right? What it was partying and girls, right? I was young. I was only 18 years old, and I bought a truck with it. I bought myself a Chevy short box, a 79 Chevy short box. It was black, big 35-inch tires on it. They had the big classic roll bar in it. There used to be you could get one of those air fresheners for your window, and it had the picture of the girls in the short box all on the roll bar. You guys probably remember that. That was a well-known picture. GM. Are they going to stop us from buying AMCs going forward? You can buy, like you meant, like as of like when? Because you can buy AMC shares right now. They're synthetics. You can't buy real shares right now. You haven't for months. But the synthetics, I just want to be very clear because I tell factual information that they are worth the same as the real shares, okay? There's a lot of BS going around the internet right now saying that the shares aren't worth anything, that you're just wasting your money. That is not true. Those shares are insured. Okay, sorry, Leon, I missed. What is the first stock you ever purchased, Cam? The first stock I ever purchased. Let me think about that one for a while. BlackBerry. BlackBerry was the very first stock I ever purchased. Oh, after the 20. Okay. That I can't predict, but I can't see it happening. I can't see it happening, them shutting it off. Because after the 24th is just those rules. What I'm just trying to think, there's a bunch of rules that came in. One of the, for naked shorting. That's it. That was one of the main rules. That I can't. That's a good question, there, girl. I can't. I'm just trying to think. Let me think about that one for a while. Per a minute here. And this is just opinion. This is not financial advice. You know that, right? So I'm going to give you some just what I'm thinking about here. Just let me think about that because I want to make sure I word it right. Okay, so if the synthetics come in, they ban synthetics, okay? That they can't short and they have no synthetics and it's all synthetics for sale. See, they did a thing on something happening to the fake shares if they try to transfer. Okay, whoa. Be more elaborate on that. Everybody's curious on that question. Something's happening right now if you try to transfer synthetic shares? Is that what you're trying to say? Tell us where and what were you trying to do? Or is this you or is this you off of somebody else? Because we're all very interested on that. And I'm still thinking about your question about the 24th. I don't know, actually. I'm going to be very, very... JB, good question. I mean, good point. Oh, that would have been a good interview. But then I have one question. I'm trying to transfer from Webull to Fidelity, which is a good move. Good move, my friend. But just be careful. Now is probably the best time to do it because the squeeze I don't think is going to happen until after around the 24th. So you got enough time to do your transfer. But because you don't want it in limbo when it squeezes, I don't know how that would work for you. But I'm trying to transfer from Webull to Fidelity. What is it saying? What is it like? Well, I'm curious, man. See, this is when I wish we could have you on live stream because this is a good topic to talk about right now. Like on live stream, I'm talking like up on the screen talking about it. This would be a good podcast for at least about a half an hour, 45 minutes, just talking about this stuff because you're experiencing this firsthand on. It's not secondary or third party news. And I know we're all curious right now. That's a very good topic because that could affect a lot of people. I have a question for you. I know that's hard to type. Oh man, I hope we finish in the 34. That would be sweet. That would be awesome. Brandon, how you doing, buddy? Good morning. And that would be awesome. My shares look like never moved from Webull. How long ago did you transfer them? Sorry, I'm just picking your brain here first in the morning. You're like, man, I haven't had my coffee yet. I'll have a coffee. I'll have a drink for you. Coffee break. Ken, Webull is, I'm not racist. Let's get that right off the table. It's a Forex exchange program. It is owned by the Chinese. And the thing is I'm not, like, you got to, like, take the racism thing right off the table. I don't even want anybody thinking that. All I'm trying to do is just be very, very, this is an educational channel, okay? I just wanted to, that's what we help each other, right? Because if Allison's having the same issue. Just hang on a second, guys. Hello?
Hi, Cameron. How are you doing today?
Good. Who is this?
This is Stacy calling you about your trading account with us, the one with money in it.
I don't have an account with money in it. Sorry. Bye. Scam. Okay, guys, I just want to discuss something. I just got a message from somebody saying that I had a trading account with something in it. Okay, from Canada. Okay. What is it? Sorry, guys, we're on that topic here. Let's just talk about this, and I'll tell you about this. There's a scam going around, guys, and I just almost got scammed. So it is somebody calling and saying that I have a trader's account with money in it, that they want my personal information to claim it, because they know I'm a trader. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, to be careful of that. That's going around right now, and especially for you Canadians, okay? Because that's coming out of Ontario, that number, okay? Because I have all the stuff on my phone that tells where phone number is coming from. Okay, so I got to get into this. This is more interesting than that. Sorry, guys. Okay. I think that the share lost yesterday. I think the shorts lost yesterday because every time they get it below 30, apes buy it up. That's true. Yes, my friend, something's happening. We predicted that this morning, Brandon. Yes, there's something weird happening. We got hardly no volume coming in. Nothing. We got nothing. We're at 16 million, 0.35. And look at it, it's going up. I've never seen this before. Okay, I've seen it up at 80 million right now, and we're still getting hammered down. Okay? It's weird, but who knows? I'm not questioning it. Let's just go with this. Go with it. Okay. Okay, I tried to transfer some Webull to public, and it didn't have any shares to transfer. And when I clearly did. Oh. Holy shit. Holy shit, Allison. It's saying that you have shares and you bought and paid for those shares and you have. Did you? Oh my God, that's messed up, man. I'd be friggin' tripping. Did you? Can you go onto your Webull app? I would snapshot that. I would snapshot that right now. Any of you guys on here, if you're having that problem, go into your trader's account and snapshot that you have those shares because it timestamps it, okay? And then if you have to go to court or something, shit. I'm not trying to scare you guys, but I would be freaking the shit out right now. It's saying you don't have any shares in there? Oh my God. Really? Well, I would be calling, brother Kang. I would be calling them. I know it's probably hard to get through them. It might take you a day or two. I would definitely, Cash App works fine. Okay, good to know. What I would do is, that's really good to know, JB. What I would do is, TRAM. TRAA. GM. As well? Okay, good. I'm hearing a lot of good stuff about this Cash App, and you can buy crypto through it, right? That's what I'm assuming, right? Okay, so you never answered the question. Someone asked about 600 shares reaching 6. David, I'm sorry, and thank you, David. That's a solid move you just did. Okay, so 600 shares. Let's, guys, I'll get back to you. I got to answer this question because I'm very adamant on answering all questions. Okay, 600 shares. Will it make you a million? Right? Millionaire. Okay, if you have 600 shares times, just bear with me, times 1,000. Okay, I don't know what you bought at because you have to minus that off. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys how to do the math on this. If it goes to 1,000, that's 600 grand minus what you paid for the shares. If it goes to 2,000, that's $1.2 million. 1,200,000 minus the shares. Okay. If it goes to 3,000 a share, well, now you got, or 4,000 a share will go. Now you got 2,400,000. Do you guys get the picture? That's how you calculate it. It's easy math. Just use that calculator. Just go to 1,000 always in increments of 1,000. There you guys go. Answered. Sorry about that. I just got that phone call came in and messed me up because, wow, they're probably ripping a lot of people off with that one. Notice they haven't called back because you can't get my number again. It's on a switchboard. I know how it works. Watch, I'll probably get a call in about a half an hour again because she would have put me back on the queue. Okay, so anyways, I'm right into this. This is a killer topic. And thank you once again, David, for bringing that up. David Willis. Okay, if it shows infidelity, then just call Fidelity and check with them. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I would definitely do that. And if you can record that phone call, download an app on your phone. There's lots of them for free. I don't know about iPhones or Apple. I do know Android has tons of stuff on the Play Store for that. Okay, and you want to go and check it out first before you get on the phone and like call a friend and try recording the phone call first. Okay, I would definitely do that because if you get a snapshot, okay, which is factual information for court, and if you get the person's name and their agency number on the phone recorded, is golden. That's a slam dunk in court. You will win that. Okay, and if it goes up to the say if it squeezes and your shares are nowhere to be found and you have that information, and when it goes to the max, you'll probably get paid at the max in court, okay? Because you need to snapshot when it squeezes to whatever it goes to. You got to hit the snapshot on a chart on your phone or somewhere on your computer on snapshot. Then you have proof that stock at that time was at that and you could have sold. and you're awake at that time to acknowledge. Okay, trust me, I almost became a lawyer. I already told you guys that, right? I know how to do it. Okay, let's get back into this again. Thank you for heads up. I don't answer or respond to calls or emails. Yeah, I know. I usually don't. The reason why I answer calls from Ontario is because I have multiple plays on the go here, right? I'm not just into stock market stuff. I make money all over the place, guys. Holy crap, it's triple more than what I had in June. Okay, next month's call options. Holy crap, it's tripled than what I had in June. Yes, man. There's a lot of people vesting on AMC right now, man. It's getting crazy. Cash App doesn't have multiple cryptos, just Bitcoin, I think, but the stock will slowly everything. Oh, JB, okay. Maybe I'm thinking I'm Coinbase. Maybe I got mixed up with that. Oh yeah. That's right. Screen record. That's what I was trying to screen record everything. And some of the screen recorders have, even on the free ones, have it so you can record the voice coming out of the phone. Oh, okay, JB. Good talk today, guys. We're just ripping it up here today, man. This is what I like. But AMC's we're getting whacked on again here, guys. But like that's what I'm not even watching the screen. I'm concentrating on you guys. You guys already know that those numbers are not the real numbers. You guys know that. And it's yeah. So anyways, and if you watch some good tubers out there, even Jackson, the first thing he says, I don't give a crap what these numbers are on the screen. I know what the real number is, and I know what I'm worth. See, that's a good attitude to have, man. Like, he thinks just like me in a lot of ways. Not all the way, not 100%, but like a lot of ways. That's why I could definitely go to have a good talk with him on live chat. Yeah, I'll have to definitely look into that Cash App, guys, for sure. So my next plays are going to be dividend stocks and crypto. What are the real numbers right now? They're in the thousands. Or this is not financial advice. I'm not really supposed to even be talking about this, man. It's in about 8,000 and 9,000. This is what I just heard. I don't know. There's no way of finding out. That's what I've heard on Reddit. I just read that. Digital art? Really? It's been sitting up with that price number, what I just said. It's been sitting there for about, it's been sitting there for a couple weeks at that price. And there's a couple YouTubers that have actually announced those prices live, which is very, 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 very risky, saying that like that they're like, this is the price, like, because I don't know, I don't have the proof, right, of that. So that's what I'm saying. It's just speculation, and I don't stand behind it at all. That's why it's not financial advice. We're just talking in the conversation. But it's up there, guys. It has to be. It has to be because like the shares, the free float and the outstanding shares, there's nothing for sale. Like we already know that. Like as of March, there's nothing real shares for sale. They did like I told you a couple days ago, a guy on Reddit went to buy, I think it was 100 shares or 50 shares or something, and he did it live stream, and it took him 2 days to fill the order, and he only got a half of it filled. But he was doing it through a private broker on direct New York Stock Exchange market, so it's going right to the market. It's not going through a third party or fourth party app, right? So there is no shares for sale, guys. We've known that for a long time. So like Andy bought this last night, and he bought 200 some odd shares. They're filled immediately, okay? And I know that they're synthetics. 100% they're synthetics. And the thing is they're worth the same, right? It's just that David, yes, I already know. Well, I already know what it is up here. It's 37%. That's only if you pull your money out. Okay, guys. Everywhere's different. Check into it. But I already know what I'm doing. I'm not pulling all my money out. I'm only pulling maybe 100 grand out, maybe 150. And even if I make like 2-3 mil, the rest is staying in the market. I'm not pulling it out like that. I'm investing it all in the dividend stocks and crypto. And I'm only investing 50 grand into crypto tops, just because I have my reasons why. I'm not going to talk about it on live stream, but I have my reasons why. I've done so when you invest in dividend, they can't, there's no synthetics in dividend stocks. It does not happen. It's watched by the feds, watch it. The government collects money off of it, taxes every time you get paid. They can't, it just doesn't happen, okay? They can short the stock still, but they can't make synthetics up on it. They would get roasted. The company doing it would get roasted on the first quarter, okay? Yes, dark pools, that's correct. Yep, that's what I meant, dark pools, yeah. Yes, I think it's about not financial advice, just asking. Good, yes. Yes, I think it's around that. Yeah, that's what it'll go to. We've already, yeah, it's. I don't think it's definitely not. I'll say this even right on live stream. It's not going to go to 500,000. There is not enough money in the world. We've already done this live stream before. We put those numbers in my calculator. The calculator has an error code. The calculator doesn't even go up that high for the amount of people that have this. They're saying that there's 5 million plus that own the shares. Right, or 5 billion. Sorry, guys. So 5 billion times 500,000. Do the math. There's not enough money in the world to cover that. I don't think. Well, in the States. It just would not happen. But there's a big enough problem. What they're worried about, a fire sale happening on the stock market, which will collapse the stock market. It won't hurt us. Okay, but what I'm worried about is breaker going off and we're sitting for 30 to 60 days. AMC just stops until they do an investigation on synthetics. That could happen. I've already put it in one of my videos. That's why I have 3-step system on how I'm cashing my stocks out. Okay? Go Bill Cosby. Andy, you're funny. But yeah, so what I'm doing is dividend stocks. We'll go back to that because they already pay. Like, we'll go into one right now. We're going to go into, I did this before and I don't mind doing it again. Suncor Energy is paying 3.45 on a dividend yield. Okay, that's what you want to look. Kim, yes, it goes up daily. It isn't going down. It goes up daily. The more it has to. So yeah, it is at 3.45. So if you put 100 grand in there, you're getting $345. And this is a low one too. You're getting $345 a month times if you have $1 million in there. Or I would not put $1 million into one. I'd put hundreds of thousands all over the place. That's what I'm doing anyways, and I'll be doing it live stream. I'll be building a fresh portfolio, and I'll be showing you guys what I do. If you want to, a lot of people will be copying it, and what it will do is I will show you how to become a multi-millionaire in the first year. Okay. And of course, you got to pay taxes on that too. But what it does is I don't need the money to live. My house is already paid off. I hold no debt. And I'm at 40. I've already done this off the stock market. I've already made a good life off the stock market. But guys, I've never seen a stock like AMC and these stocks go like this. That's why I know this is bullshit. Stocks do not run like this, man. I've been doing this for a while. Okay. It's just crazy. Like, this is not normal. It's like, look at, now we're getting pulled down. See, they have this all planned. This is all a plan's attacks. Like, it doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. Okay? Like, look at this. There's nobody selling right now. Like, why? Nobody in their right mind would sell at $31 when they know that it hit $70 before. That does not make sense. No, they don't. Well, if you pull it out of your trader's account, yes, they tax you. You can move it to another stock. Yes, David. As it depends, you might want to check into that, but just call the bank. They'll tell you. That's very common. No, that's a very good question. Everywhere is different. Like every country, I should say, is different. But as far as I know, here where I'm from, no. You can, long as you keep it into your trade. As soon as you pull it out of your trader's account, you're taxed, right? But if you leave it in your trader's account and you just buy other stocks, you can. How long? I've been doing it for about 6 years into the stock, maybe a little bit longer. ETFs instead of individual. I'd stick with dividend. ETFs, I don't know about that. I don't know. That's I don't know. I like to just do the actual stocks on the stock market, because then I can look at, you get a double whammy. If the price goes up on the stock, it's a win. See, if the price goes down on the stock, you still get the dividend. That's why a dividend stock is a good win in my eyes, because you get paid no matter what, right? And yeah, and what it is what I'm doing. It's a long. Those stocks are in for life, okay? And if you get like 10 dividend stocks, some of them pay 7, 8%, 10%. Well, that's pretty good. You're getting $1,000, $800 to $1,000 a month off $100,000. If you leave it in there, it compounds. Then now you're the bank. You know, when you borrow money off the bank, it compound interest you pay. When you borrow money off the bank, now you're the bank. You're making the compound interest. If you leave that money in there, it compounds in your account, okay? That's how you become a multi-millionaire. Every millionaire on the planet, unless they were inherited money, that's how they make money, is compound interest. I know that for a fact. And there's two ways of doing it, or there's two keys to the two pieces to that missing puzzle. You gotta have multi streams of income is the number one key. The number two key is you have to have compound interest working with you. Okay, those are the two factors to become a multi-millionaire in this world. You have to have multi streams of income. Just having one stream of income, there's no way to become a multi-millionaire. Okay, starting out with hardly nothing. Okay, that you have to start off like, if you're inherited, obviously, and you're a millionaire already. Well, that doesn't. I'm not talking about that. Okay. I think video shows about fake shares. I think video. Okay. Is there a time frame on how long you have to move to another stock, or can you just leave it in your account out of the play? Okay, sorry, I'll read that again. Is there a time frame on how long you have to move? No, you can. No, there is no limit. As long as you don't pull it. I'm just saying everywhere's different. I'm talking where I'm from, and I'm pretty sure I'm right. Okay, you guys, if I'm wrong, that's why I'm verifying that you have to check it out. Okay, I'm just giving you a guideline. Okay, this is not factual information. You guys do your own DD. That's why I always say call them. It's not I'm trying to avoid and stay away from the topic. It's just that I want you to get the correct information. Okay, guys, I want you guys to be successful. Okay, I'm not one of these people that sit here and get jealous over this person has more money than me, or this YouTuber has more money than me, or this one has more subs. I'm not that guy. Okay, I wouldn't come on here and and show you guys this shit. Is it? Before the squeeze of 2008. No, David, I haven't. Is there any way where'd you find that info? You have my email, right? You should send me that. I'm very interested in that. I could make a video off that. And that would help a lot of people out. The same numbers, eh? That's before the squeeze of 2008. Okay. Dividends per depends on the company. Last question is it depends on. I have the picture. Okay, send it to CS Trades 101 at gmail.com. I'll put it up on the page for you in a minute. Depends on the company. They all pay. Some pay in quarter, some pay in half, and some pay in annually. Depends on what they have set up. They all have different rules. Okay. Depends. They're all different. Every company is different. Depends on when their pays are. Like, it goes off of what they make yearly. Yes. What their physical, or sometimes off their quarterly. And that's why they pay quarterly, is because that's what they make. It's a royalty. It's a perk that they give you. It's a pat on the back. Thank you for buying into our company. So that's the way I look at it. Do you want me to, David? Do you want me to put my my email up? I don't mind if you guys have my email address. No, because the Suncor Energy I have, and I have 10 grand in there. I think it is, or is it $1,000? I think it's on every 1,000. I think I get $30 a month, which I know it's nothing, right? Or no, is it $30? Yeah, it's $30 a month. They pay every 3 months, so that comes to like $90 every 3 months. And I know it's not that much money, but it's in a trader's. It compounds, right? Okay, not a problem, David. Just give me a second, guys. And this is, guys, if you want to send me info, this is for anybody on the channel. Okay. I'm going to pin it. It's going to the top, guys. There you go. It's pinned. So, yeah. Notice how that that spammer, oh, we went below our trend line here today. That's that line that we were working on to get above. So, we already knew this was going to happen, guys. Okay, we already knew all this was going to happen today. Okay, what was it? There's something else. Oh, yeah, about that spam stuff coming in. Notice that person didn't call me back. If it was a bank or somewhere legit, they would have called you back because they have your number. She's working off a queue. So she doesn't even know my phone number. If I was to ask her for my phone number, she wouldn't even know my phone number. Okay? That's how that queue shit works. Because they if you don't answer, notice how it takes like sometimes 5 seconds for them to answer. That's usually when I hang up. If it takes more than 2 seconds, or if I hear a beep, I'll just hang up because it's not legit. It means that the computer is waiting for the queue to come up. When you pick up, it clicks to a direct line, and it takes a bit for the software to get going, right? I like messing with them and tell them that, hey man, all your information just got forwarded to the police. I got everything on your about your company and everything, and then they never call you back again. That's a good one to get them off the phone and never tell them back. Just mess with them. I love those little things on YouTube about those people that call those scam companies. Oh man, that's hilarious. Some of that stuff those guys do to those people that are scamming people. They scam them back. I was just looking at this. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Just gonna go check the mail to make sure nothing came in here. Nothing. Nothing. Still early though. Anyways, where I'm from, it's early. Well, it's 7:45 in the morning. So any more other questions you guys want to know? Because I'm probably going to jump off stream here in a couple minutes, like in probably about 10 minutes. Did you guys want to talk about anything else? Do you have any other questions or anything like that? Because I pretty much covered everything today. I just know that you guys know how the market's going to go, right? So my advice is for psychological reasons to just turn the screen off. You already have all your indicators. Do you have all your, if you got your notification bell turned on my channel, you'll be getting the podcast that if it goes to no squeeze, so you don't need to worry on that aspect. You should have indicators set on your trading apps though. They all have them, okay? Where an alarm goes off, okay? Okay, already sent it, bro. Something big is coming. People need to know that. Good morning, Free. I'm just going offline in about 5 minutes, my friend. You just got on here, but good morning, my friend. I'm just gonna check this email here. I just want to have a look at what you sent me here. Beautiful day outside, though. Inflation chart. Okay, thanks, David. Oh, shit. You're right. I can't pull that up right now, but I will definitely... Inflation rate is July 5.4. Last time inflation was this high for a consecutive month was before the 2008 crash. Something is brewing. I say this is a bullish sign, and we will earn Moss. Yeah, man, I agree on that. After looking at that chart, is pretty cool. What the fuck? Weird. Okay, just wait here. I lost you guys here for a second. Just hang on. I clicked the wrong button. Okay. Thank you for everything you do. Thanks, David. Thanks for those pictures, my friend. That's awesome stuff. So, Free, you're going to have to play back the video after I get off, my friend, because I'm jumping offline, guys. And thanks a lot. I really appreciate everything that you guys do. And we're back above that trend line again at 31.17. Okay, so it's going to be one of those days that's all over the place. And you guys keep it real. And take it easy. Try not to stress out, okay? Just go do something. Go call a family member. Somebody that you haven't talked to in a while and tell them that you love them. And Andy, go chase the cows, man. I just read that message coming up. That's awesome. Okay, guys, I love you lots, okay? And I'll see you guys. I might have another podcast for the day, but as of so far, there's no new news. And yeah, just keep it real. If I got something new coming out, I'll blast it to you. Peace.